Today we're going to look at rounding numbers to the nearest 10. So I'm going to place the number 36 on the screen. When I round to the nearest 10, the very first thing that I want to do is go to the tens place. Okay, so if I look over at my number, the 6 is in the ones place and the 3 is in the tens place, and I'm just going to underline that. Okay, the second thing that I'm going to want to do is slide to the side. We learned about sliding to the side in our place value rounding video that we watched and learned in class. So we're going to slide to the side. So when I slide to the side, I'm always going to slide one to the right, and I show that like this. When I go to there and I notice a 6, because I slide to the side, and I'm going to look for a 5, but I don't see a 5. I see a 6. Okay, so what that tells me is that if I don't see a 5, okay, 4 or less, we're going to round down to avoid the mess. That's what our song tells us. 5 or more, we round up for sure. Okay, so 6 is bigger than 5. So I'm going to be following the 5 or more round up for sure. So that tells me is that I am going to need to round up to the next closest group of 10. So if I look at a number line, and I start my number line at 30, and I go 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40, I have two groups of 10. 30 is one group of 10, and 40 is another group of 10. I'm going to place 36, my number here, on my number line. So I have 30, 31, 2, 3, 30, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is where 36 is. How do I know what number, what group of 10 is closer? Well, we did learn in the song 5 or more round up for sure. So that means I have to round up, go to the bigger number, which is 40. We can also see on the number line that 36 is closer to 40. So it only takes 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps to get to 40. Whereas if I was going backwards to the 30s group of 10, it would take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it takes 6 jumps to get to this group of 10, 30. And it only takes 4 jumps to get to this group of 40. So it is closer to 40. 36 rounds to 40 when we're rounding by tens.